Hey everyone, so is Dropbox not opening on your Windows computer? Maybe the app won't launch, it crashes immediately, or nothing happens when you click the icon. Yeah, that can be super frustrating when you need access to your files quickly. In this video, I'll walk you through several simple ways to fix Dropbox not opening on Windows. In 2026, most of these steps only take a few minutes. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Dropbox needs an active internet connection even to launch correctly sometimes, so check your Wi-Fi or wired network. Next, restart your computer. Temporary system glitches can prevent Dropbox from opening, and a quick reboot often fixes the problem. Sometimes Dropbox processes running in the background can block it from opening. Open Task Manager, end all Dropbox processes, and then try launching the app again. Make sure you're using the latest version of Dropbox. Outdated versions can have bugs that prevent the app from opening. Clearing the Dropbox cache can fix launch issues. Navigate to the Dropbox cache folder on your computer and delete its contents. Then try opening Dropbox again. If Dropbox still won't open, reinstall it. Uninstall the app, download the latest version from the official website, and install it again. This usually fixes persistent launch issues. And that's it. Most Dropbox launch issues on Windows can be fixed by restarting your PC, closing background processes, or reinstalling the app. If this guide helped you, check out more quick tech tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.